chastity. It's chastity for all you hating ass bitch. It's chastity for all you hating ass hoes talking all that shit, bitch. Oh, shit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video is going to be on this unit that I have on right now. So if you want to know all the details, keep watching. So of course, before we get started, we're gonna oops. So before we get started, of course, we're going to do a quick install portion. This wig was a little difficult to work with. It was a little difficult to work with, but after day 2, we finally got something together and figured out something with it. So this is what we came up with. This is what we got. So like I said, after the install portion, I will see you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the install portion. Now let's get into all the details of the wig. So this is from a company on Amazon called DeRossi, I think that's how you say it, hair store. This is their 13 by 3 lace front wig. It's a loose curly wig. It's heat resistant, synthetic, 100% density, and it has Swiss lace. And it's 24 inches and it got it in the color 1B. So it is on Amazon for $43.99. Sometimes they have like little coupons that you can clip, but I'm not really seeing one at the moment right now. Details on this, as you saw in the install portion, it just has the 2 combs on the side, one like right here, none in the middle. I mean none in the back, just an adjustable strap, which I really wish it had one in the back because it's kind of just like flappy back here, and I might want to pin it up in a bun and put like a headband on with it, but you know, we can tweak and do what we gotta do to get that done. But anyways, yeah, so it is definitely synthetic. It has that synthetic-y texture to it. As I run my hands through it, I do get some shedding, just from me literally just running my hands through it. This is how much shedding that I've gotten so far, just running my hands through it. I do not recommend combing this hair because it is synthetic, and it's that synthetic fiber that's like kinda leave it where it's at and don't touch it. Like, if you want it straight or you want it bushy, go get a straight or bushy wig. Leave this one. This is how it looks. Is just how it looks. This is how it's gonna be. That's it. That's it. So yeah, I did however use my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm actually going to use a little bit right now to show you guys. You can put that in there. Even though it is synthetic, the mousse kind of like gives it that wet look, temporarily that wet look, so it does look cute. And the ends are a little bit straighter than the top part. The ends do get a little bit straighter, so we're just gonna work that in so you guys can see the difference. Hold on, let me add a little bit more mousse. Get it all up in there. All right, so this side has the mousse, and all right. Okay, so this side has the mousse and this one doesn't. It's a slight difference. You can see this side has a little bit more of a wet and wavy look, and this side has more of a dry wavy look. So I would definitely go for the wet wavy look. That's just like my go-to, especially if you're like on vacation or something. This is what you want to do. If you're on vacation in the Bahamas or Jamaica, or where it's hot, or you can go to a pool or to the beach, wet. If you're just like going on vacation, dry. Wet and dry. Wet, dry. Pick one, pick one, pick one. This is what we're going with. So yeah, I'm gonna just go at the other side and get the other side with some mousse on there as well, just so it can all be evened out. And with this, you want to use a generous amount of it. And like I said, the ends on here are pretty straight. They're a little straight. So yeah, you want to get that all in there. All right, there we go. There we go. So it does not have a lot of parting. Baby hairs are super thick. I just swooped something over, and I would definitely cut it a little bit more. Like right here, I would cut that off and just swoop it a little bit more, and then it has like that little piece of parting, which I didn't go and add any powder in it because it's no biggie. It's really no biggie. But I would definitely add parting in it if I'm going somewhere, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally just staying here at home, not doing anything. So yeah, so if you order on Amazon, of course you get it in 2 days, roughly 2 to 5 days. It came in like a couple days. Actually, it didn't come in 2 days. So yeah, this is really cute. This is gonna be a summertime for me, just like if we're going to the beach and I just need to throw something on my head quick. This is what we're wearing. This is what we're throwing on our head, calling it a day, and doing what we gotta do, period. Like, and that's on who? Mary Had a Little Lamb, period. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit right here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video 2 thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.